So is it the end of the road for Pujara and Rahane? You find some decisions hard to talk about, but you've got to talk about in the interests of the sport, because the sport is bigger, and the answer in this case is yes. Cheteshwar Pujara and Ajinkya Rahane have both been stellar for India over the years. You can keep talking about both and think of some of the fantastic contributions, but they are clearly past their best. And with so much talent in the wings, there's a fellow who's got 100 and a 50 in his debut. Shubman Gill, who looked so good, injured, but will come back. Hanuma Vihari, every possible opportunity, including the one that he's got in this series, he's made it count. You cannot leave them out for long anymore. It is very, very important that India did give them a long run, and they did. I am glad that Rahul Dravid and Virat Kohli played Ajinkya Rahane and Cheteshwar Pujara all the matches in this particular series, because when you're talking about stalwarts, you have to give the stalwarts that additional cushion, that additional amount of respect that they deserve, and the team did that for them. That was the right call. In a decider, you had to go with experience, and India did. They banked and they backed experience of Pujara and Rahane. Unfortunately, the two stalwarts weren't able to do. At times, happens. And that's when you've got to look beyond them, because they are past their best years. Cheteshwar Pujara, the 2018 Australia series, for example, will be his. Ajinkya Rahane, that Melbourne 100, for example, after 36 all out, will be his. Their contributions will forever be remembered, because they have made a difference to Indian cricket. But like every good thing comes to an end, everything has to have an expiry date. And I think it is time that India looks beyond these two. And in the next test match in Bengaluru, if it happens on the 25th of February, I would say that India would have looked beyond Pujara and Rahane, and that's the end of it for both of them. Hanuma Vihari, Shubman Gill, Mayank Agarwal, and of course Shreyas Iyer, followed by Surya Kumar Yadav, are waiting in the wings. Important to go to them, because if you do not give them opportunities at the right time, how will they play the number of matches that Pujara and Rahane have played? So well done Cheteshwar and Ajinkya for a fantastic run in test match cricket. The end wasn't sweet at all, but that's how sport is. It's real, not real. The answer? Yes, India needs to look beyond Pujara and Rahane.